What's going on, guys? Jason Riggs with Pizza Wolf Magic, and I'm here with an unboxing. Now, I tried out a new site. It's called silkmagics.com. So, normally whenever I try out a new website, something like that, I don't buy anything too spectacular, but I bought something here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Of course, you can hear my dogs going through stuff. All right. They put it in a pretty sturdy box. It shipped in a couple days. I ordered this Thursday, and it is now Monday. Let's see what I ordered. That's what I ordered. Oh, and it's my new Doshman Dove. I've used my old Dove for over 20 years, so I ordered a new one, and I want to compare this to my old one. Wow, the beak's much longer on this one. Jeez. It's made out of the same material. Beak's a little bit hard. Crushes down pretty nicely. Folds out nicely. Yeah. That was, how much was that? That was $7.95. That's unreal. That's perfect. I love it. Yeah. That's really good. Good quality. So far, so good. Okay, now for this. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. The magician that, there was a magician that was born in the town that I live in. He actually invented this trick right here. It's called a dye tube. I've been wanting one for a long time. I'm going to take a peek at it. Just a quick peek. That's awesome. We'll get into that later, not in this video. I also ordered some 15-inch silks just because they're so cheap and I wanted to see the quality of them. They were $2.10 each. And usually you can't find a 15-inch silk for under $8. So I just wanted to see the quality because this is called silkmagictricks.com. Oh, the quality's there. Wow. The quality's definitely there. Yeah. I'm amazed at how good this actually turned out. Let's get and check the white one out too. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. You know, my first time buying from a new magic website, I never order too much. This is what I ordered this time, and I'm impressed. It actually came out really good. So, thank you for watching my unboxing. Catch you in the next video, and I'll see you later.